Hey guys, this is Maggie from Keheng Battery. Today I'm going to introduce EVE 3.2 voltage and 218 ampere hour battery. Is the high capacity battery item we offer is with the laser welding start, but we also offer good holding start items. The continuous charging current is 0.5 C and the discharge current is 1 C. This battery available for on-stop solar station is widely used for high-capacity charge station needs. Grade A and brand new with original QR code and 5 years warranty, including free bus bar and NAS. Welcome to send inquiry and order. Thank you. Bye.